What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ, and today I've got something that I am truly excited about. You guys know I come out with different mounts all the time for the Seadoos, but I've been really busy with the off-road side. So I haven't been able to put as much time into the Seadoo designs as I could have. But this one has been something that's been in the works for quite a long time now. And I'm happy to say that it is almost ready. So I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek today. There you go, guys. This thing, there's no other words for it. It's badass, plain and simple. So I'm not going to go into too much detail today. This is pretty much just a preview, but it holds the 36 millimeter large diameter stick. Guys, at this point in time, I don't think I'm going to make this one available for the smaller version with a reducer or anything. This is an elite mount, guys. It really is. If you want the best out there, you need to invest in the best. Get yourself a stick. This stick has lasted me for 2 years, while I have broken numerous of the smaller ones. Now this mount here it's got a couple little more tweaks to do to it before I release it to the public. And I didn't want to really mention anything until I had all the test videos edited, which there's a lot of footage. So it's taken me a little while to get all that ready. But I wanted to give you guys a preview of this mount. It is exceptional. It really is. Best thing is it is toolless. You don't have to remove anything. You don't even have to remove the pylon ski cover. Nothing. There are no tools needed. Installs in seconds, and it comes with a support system, and I'll go into all that later when it is released. So I'm going to release this for 2026, yeah, this is, guys, this is going to be the mount you want. It really is. As you can see, this is one beefy mount. It is incredible, guys. So you can use your cooler, you can use your gas can. I'll go into more detail on this and in more depth. Once the test videos are edited and ready to post, I'll get those up. I'll get the final revisions done of this, and it will be listed on the website, guys. And I'll show you the ease of the installation, how it works, what the footage is from it. Keep an eye out for this, guys. You're going to like it. I promise you. And I can promise you this. There's nothing else out there like this, and there's nothing else out there that can compare to it. NRGcreativ, we're the only ones. Trust us. We'll see you out on the waters. You guys have a great rest of your year. Happy holidays, and we'll see you on the water.